Welcome in, everybody. My name is Pepper. Today we're going to be reacting to Linger in the Rain by YonKaGor. This one was requested by you guys. Oreo Loki, thank you for requesting this one. We'll hop into it. Already getting sunfish vibes. We've got a little groove going. Oh, why is this giving me Cardcaptor Sakura vibes?
Did my refraction fade away? I thought that haunts me day by day, like on the foggy air and morning tears dissolve into the atmosphere. Am I just a passing droplet? Am I easy to forget? Should I keep hoping for your warmth? Where's my heart is brittle form and keep yearning in a storm? 'Cause whenever I choose to remain, to linger in the rain, it will always end the same. I'll mourn for your embrace. Someone will surely fill my place.
Ooh, this is like a bittersweet song. Alright. I don't mind like a song that like sounds happy but has a sadder lyrics. It's a good juxtaposition.
Did I say something in the past? Or were my problems far too vast? And now my worries and my evening fears will be the one to intervene.
Going into that minor.
Was I just a passing droplet? Was I easy to forget? Should I keep hoping for your warmth? Where's my heart is brittle form and keep yearning in a storm? 'Cause whenever I choose to remain,
I like this one.
linger in the rain, it will always end the same. I'll mourn for your embrace. Someone
These music videos are always very well animated though. They're quite cute. I like the colours being used here. Because you got the contrasting red and blue, so like the sadness and your love, pretty much. Ooh. Well, we're using red as a... Okay, so we're using red to like represent the pain. And then it does that. Whereas the blue is a more calm. Oh, do we get a happy ending? Alright. I thought it was not in character for a happy ending. Oh, I quite like this one. Such a chill vibe too. got a bit of scouting going. Okay, donuts. I love that. I like that one. That was a very bittersweet song. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll leave a link as per usual in the description below, as well as a link to my Twitch channel where I sometimes react to these live. I also play some video games over there. We generally chill out and have a good time, do a little bit of karaoke. So come say hi. But until then, everybody stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!